The Enviro Model XP2200 ISOFLEX high-performance door from ASI Doors is specifically designed for high-traffic cold storage applications. Its unique features help reduce energy and maintenance costs, increase productivity, improve material handling, maximize quality control, and enhance worker safety. These qualities make the ISOFLEX the best solution for refrigerated warehousing, food processing, grocery distribution, dairy, seafood, bakery, and even pharmaceutical applications. Let's take a closer look at some of the great benefits offered by the ISOFLEX door. At ASI, we design all of our Enviro doors with safety and energy savings in mind, and the ISOFLEX is no exception. Starting with high-speed operations. In addition to an open and close speed of up to 100 inches per second, the 18-foot tall ISOFLEX opens side to side. This reduces the time to full access through the doorway versus bottom to top opening doors. It also features zero water absorption EVA foam insulation with an R value of 17, which reduces conduction energy loss costs. This is also one of the features that helps prevent dangerous frost buildup found with other door options. Our compact and efficient heated blower system reduces conduction by maintaining consistent temperature control on both sides of the door. Compression and dual bottom sealing systems prevent energy loss as well. And the ISOFLEX is tough, really tough. Constructed with a thermoplastic outer shell and multi-layer EVA foam core, this door resists impact from fork trucks. Also, our fully capped perimeter edge liner provides extra protection from impact on the panel edges. In addition, our unique wall tracking system enables the door to break away after impact. The wall track is designed to reset the door in the track system automatically. And there's no trailing edge floor hardware to replace. The reliable auto reversing system provides additional worker safety by immediately changing direction upon contact. ASI thoroughly tests its products to optimize the door's life cycle. In addition to all of these great benefits, we offer quick installation and local inventory and support. The Enviro ISOFLEX door from ASI Doors. Energy saving, durable, reliable. Give us a call to learn more about how we can improve your facility's energy and operational efficiencies.